Merry Christmas everyone. In celebration of the release of Wonder Woman 1984, I'm going to show you how I made her tiara and bracelets. We'll start off with the tiara. For this all you'll need is a few sheets of card. The first thing I did was measure out a 2" by 15" strip using a pencil and ruler, and then made a mark 2 cm from the bottom and ½ cm from the top on both ends. I drew a line between the two, before marking out the middle 10 cm and drawing a V shape which will become the front of the tiara. Before I cut it out, leaving me with not only the base piece of the tiara but a template, which I drew around and made 4 more copies of. I decided the easiest way for me to make this would be to build up the tiara in 3 layers. The base would be left as is, and for the second layer I took 2 of the templates and carefully stuck them together, making sure they're lined up. Then I drew a midline down the length of the tiara, rounding in the middle, and cutting it out. Then for the third layer I stuck 2 more pieces together, once again marking out the midpoint, and using reference images I cut out what would become the top layer of the tiara. Then I brought the 3 pieces together, top, middle and back, carefully aligning and attaching the first layer to the base, followed by the top layer, completing the main body of Wonder Woman's tiara. Now all that's left to do is use another piece of card to draw out the star emblem that sits on the front of the design, carefully cut it out, and attach it in place. To give it a more rounded shape that fits more easily around your forehead, gradually bend and curve the ends of the bands. Attach a length of measured string or elastic that will fit tightly around your head. And then besides painting, your Wonder Woman tiara is complete. Meaning now we can move on to the bracelets, which actually start out as 4 cardboard tubes. Cut each of them up the middle and slide them onto your wrists and forearm to make sure that they fit. Then, using 2 for each arm, mark out where they overlap with a pencil. Remove them and glue them in place. Trim off any excess. Repeat for your other arm, and you'll be left with the base for your 2 bracelets. To recreate the intricate pattern that runs around the bracelets, you'll need to measure out a piece of card that's the same size as your 2 cardboard tubes. Then cut them out, make sure it fits, and using a pencil, ruler and lots of reference images, take your time and trace out the detailed pattern onto a sheet of card. If you're finding it a little tricky, you could print out a picture from the internet and trace it directly on top. Then when you're happy with your completed design, very carefully cut out every individual piece, until you have a completely deconstructed version of your pattern. Then repeat all your hard work all over again for the second bracelet, and the very last thing you'll need to do before we can get to painting these up is attaching your pattern to your cardboard bracelets. Remember to leave a slight gap in between each, cut off any overhang, and what you should be left with is 2 bracelets and a tiara ready to be painted. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think, or if you end up making these for yourself down in the comments. Thank you for watching, I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. And if you did enjoy today's video, please check out my models and props playlist for more projects and crafts just like this. Please like and subscribe to support the channel, it really would be greatly appreciated. Leave any suggestions for future model or prop videos you have down in the comments. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.